Rheem, North America's only manufacturer of heating, cooling, water heating, and commercial refrigeration solutions, has been a pioneer in developing some of the most innovative technologies. Founded in 1925 by brothers Richard and Donald Rheem, Rheem initially created steel drums and other metal products. In its early decades, Rheem grew by adding several new business lines, like shipping containers, bathroom fixtures, war equipment, musical instruments, and more. Things shifted for the company in 1930, which was when Rheem began full-scale manufacturing of water heaters, boilers, and tanks. In the 1950s, Rheem sensed a growing demand for central heating and cooling systems, so the company began developing its first HVAC offerings. Much later, in 1985, Rheem entered the swimming pool heater and commercial boiler markets through the acquisition of Raypak Incorporated of Westlake Village, California. Just a few years later, Rheem became a wholly owned subsidiary of Paloma Industries of Nagoya, Japan. Founded in 1911, Paloma is one of the world's leading producers of gas appliances. In 2013, Rheem added commercial refrigeration equipment to its product portfolio by acquiring Heat Transfer Products Group of Scottsboro, Alabama. With 7 factories in the Americas and distribution in more than 75 countries, Rheem is one of the most recognized heating, cooling, and water heating brands around the globe.